In this video, we'll quickly look at using the Handle Transform tool in Gimp to change the perspective of an image or overlay it over top of an image that has a different perspective. So in this example, we bring in first this image, and then we want to go to File, Open as Layers, and bring in the image that we want to change to match this perspective. So that brings it in as a separate layer, and since that layer is on top, we'll see it first. Click on the Handle Transform tool, and then with this layer selected, we can click on the corners of this image, and each corner we can left click and drag and hold to the new point that we want. And it'll automatically sort of calculate and kind of bend or transform this image to fit this perspective. Notice there's a box in the top right hand corner. We can also see exactly where these points are going and how the transform is working. And when we get all the points to where we want them to be, we just click on the transform button and it applies this transform, and it's as easy as that. In some versions of Gimp, the toolbox is simplified. So to find the Handle Transform tool, you just right click on any icon that has a little triangle in the corner of it, and it's under this one, the same one as the Rotate tool. You can find this Handle Transform. So again, you right click with the mouse to see more options for the tools in case you can't find that tool. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Look forward to catching you in the next video.